Welcome to Acedboard, your work collaboration platform. My name is Ariana, and I'll be helping you understand how the file management system works on the platform. In Acedboard, to add files to your project, you go to the top of the page next to the project name, and you will see the options: Task, Files, Dashboard, and Automation. You want to click on the Files icon or the Files feature to activate the file. And as a first-time user, you won't have any files, so everything will be blank. Next, you click on the Upload icon, which will allow you to add files to your project. And if you have files that you want to add in your project, you can simply drag and drop, or you can click on the Choose File, and that will open the folder menu on your computer or any source that you want the file to come from. Once you add files to your project, you can view them in any view format that you want. The default mode is the list view, so you can also change to the tile board view, which gives you the option to view in different formats. Also, you can choose to create a folder. What this does is it allows you to start multiple files just like you use for down any other tool, so you can create a private folder. If you want your photo to be private, just select the private option in the pop-up menu type in your file name, and then you save. Once you save, your file will be displayed for your project. In Acedboard, project members can create folders and limit who can access the folders. To make a folder private, click on the three dots on the far right of the folder. A menu of options is displayed. Select Make Private from the list, and a lock icon will be displayed next to the folder, indicating that your folder is private. You can also grant access to select team members by clicking the Manage Access from the drop-down in the three dots and add users that need to be provided access to the folder. To revoke a team member's access, click on the Remove button next to their name and save your changes. If you want to make changes to your file, you can simply click on the three dots at the far right of the file, and when you click, you have the option to pin the file to the top of the page. If you have important files, those can be pinned at the top of the page. You can also download files if you need to view any file. Other options are to move files between folders. One other neat feature is the ability to link your files to a task. If you have some task in the task view and you want it to be linked to files that you have in this view, you can establish that link and it will display here to indicate that they've been linked to a task. To link a task to a file, navigate to the file and select the link icon next to the file. A pop-up window is displayed. Search for the task you would like to link, or use the link icon to select and add from the drop-down menu and click Save. Once saved, the link icon will indicate that you have a linked task to your file. To view the linked task, click on the link icon and the task will be displayed. You can also rename your file or if you no longer need a file for this project, you can delete as well. Bulk action is the ability to perform a single action on multiple files or documents simultaneously, rather than individually. Such actions include moving location of files, linking tasks, and deleting files. To perform a bulk action on a group of files, click on the Select All checkbox at the top of the Files section. A menu of bulk actions will display. Uncheck files that are not needed for the bulk action and execute the bulk action. When treating confidential projects, you can set files as confidential and limit who can access the file, and that's also set in the File Private. To get a quick view of your file or any document, whether it's an image that you've uploaded, you can simply click an image and put it into a display in this format. If it's a document that you've reviewed and you want to add a comment to it for your team, at the bottom of the pop-up window, you see the icon to either download the file, add a comment, or just rename the file, or copy the link to share with someone. Let's say we want to add a comment to this file we have in the system. I would just click on the Note feature and a pop-up shows to the right of the screen. I can talk in my notes. Review this document as I'm satisfied. You can type in your note and you enter save. Your note is saved to that file. And you can view activities or past activities related to the document and keep track of how things have been going. When you're done, you simply use the X symbol at the top right corner close to the file. If you have a large number of files and you quickly want to find a document that you're looking for, if you know the name of the document, you can come in the search window here and just type in the name of the file, and the search feature will start narrowing down your search options. Yep, there you have it. So that's it for the file feature in the Acedboard platform. See you in our next video.